Have you ever felt like your finances are out of control, but the idea of creating a complex budget just feels overwhelming? What if I told you that building a strong financial routine could be as simple as spending a few minutes a day? That's right. No need for complicated spreadsheets or budgeting software. With just a few daily habits, you can start making real progress toward your financial goals without the stress. In today's video, I'm going to share top 5 ways to build a strong financial routine daily, which will put you in control of your money, eliminate financial stress, and help you build a strong, sustainable financial future. Let's get started. 1. Morning transaction review. Start your day with a financial check-in. One of the most powerful habits you can start building today is the morning transaction review. It only takes 2 to 5 minutes, but it can help you avoid financial surprises and make sure you are staying on top of your spending. The idea is simple. Every morning, log into your banking or credit card apps to verify what you spent the day before. This small habit is vital in keeping you informed and in control of your finances. Why is this important? We live in a world full of automated subscriptions and microtransactions that can go unnoticed until they've accumulated into something bigger. For instance, you may sign up for a free trial of a service and forget about it. By checking your transactions daily, you can quickly spot these sneaky charges and take action before they add up. Additionally, it's a great way to monitor your spending habits in real time. Are you spending more on food delivery? Is there an unexpected charge from a streaming service? You'll be able to spot patterns quickly and make adjustments before things get out of hand. The key here is consistency. If you make this habit a part of your morning routine, like brushing your teeth or having your coffee, it becomes a natural part of your day. This will not only keep you aware of where your money is going, but also foster a proactive mindset. And if you happen to catch any errors, unauthorized charges, or potential fraud, you'll be able to dispute them quickly, saving you from long-term issues. Set a daily reminder to check your financial apps right after you wake up. Keep it short, and don't stress about overanalyzing everything. 2. Implement a value-based spending pause, the 10-minute rule. How many times have you bought something only to regret it later? The truth is, impulse purchases are one of the biggest obstacles to achieving financial security. But here's the good news. You can combat this with a simple habit, the 10-minute rule. This is where you implement a mandatory pause before making any non-essential purchase. Whether you're shopping online or in-store, ask yourself if the item aligns with your long-term financial goals. How does this work? It's all about giving yourself time to think before you act. The impulse to buy is often driven by temporary emotions or external influences, such as marketing tactics or the excitement of a sale. The 10-minute pause allows you to step back and reflect on the necessity of the purchase. After 10 minutes, if you still feel like it's something you truly need, you can go ahead and buy it. But more often than not, you'll realize it wasn't as essential as you thought, and your impulse will fade. This pause reduces the likelihood of emotional spending and helps you focus on long-term goals. Every time you pause, you're exercising your self-control and developing the muscle to say no to things that don't serve your financial future. Think about it. If you apply this rule every day, it can prevent dozens of unnecessary purchases over the course of a month, and that can add up to significant savings. If you're shopping online, leave the items in your cart and walk away. Try not to make any immediate purchases, even if the sale seems too good to pass up. If you still feel strongly about buying after a full day, go ahead. But chances are, you'll save money by delaying the decision. 3. Daily micro savings. Round up your purchases. One of the easiest and most effective ways to save money is to implement micro savings. You don't need to set aside large sums of money to begin building your savings. In fact, most people find it difficult to make a significant contribution to their savings right away. But what if you could save small amounts with each purchase effortlessly? That's exactly what roundups are designed to do. Many modern banking apps offer a roundup feature, where every purchase you make is rounded up to the nearest dollar, and the difference is transferred into a savings or investment account. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, the bank will round it up to $4, and the extra 50 cents will be deposited into your savings. This small change doesn't feel like much, but over time, it accumulates into significant savings without you even noticing. This method allows you to save without any effort. The money you round up is typically so small that you won't even miss it. And since the savings is done automatically, you don't have to think about it or remind yourself to save. Plus, you can use this savings for larger financial goals like an emergency fund, vacation, or retirement. If your bank doesn't offer a roundup feature, don't worry. You can still make this habit work by manually transferring a small amount into your savings every day. 4. Categorize your daily spending. Keep track of your money as it goes. Tracking your spending doesn't have to be a complicated process. In fact, the simpler it is, the more likely you'll stick to it. A great way to stay on top of your finances is by categorizing your daily expenses. Use a simple app or digital log to break down your spending into 3 categories: needs, wants, and growth/culture. By categorizing your expenses, you can quickly identify where your money is going and how much you're spending in each category. Needs include essential items like rent, utilities, and groceries. Wants refer to things you desire but can live without, such as dining out or shopping. Growth/culture includes expenses for personal development, hobbies, or activities that contribute to your well-being or growth. Real-time tracking helps you avoid the common pitfall of overspending on wants and allows you to make better choices when it comes to discretionary spending. If you consistently find that you're spending too much on dining out, for instance, you can adjust your budget and find ways to cut back. Use apps like Mint, Inab, or even a simple spreadsheet to track your spending. Categorize each purchase right after you make it, so you don't forget where your money went. This practice can give you full visibility into your finances and help you make intentional decisions. 5. The evening financial reset. Review your progress. The final habit to help solidify your financial routine is the evening financial reset. It's all about reviewing your spending before you go to bed to ensure you're sticking to your budget and goals. This quick review allows you to catch any overspending early and make adjustments for the next day. By taking just a minute or 2 at night, you can check your spending and compare it against your daily budget. If you've stayed under budget, take a moment to congratulate yourself. If you've overspent, adjust your budget for the next day to compensate. This nightly reset helps you maintain a healthy balance and avoid financial stress. This practice helps you reflect on your day and ensures you're staying on track with your financial goals. It creates a psychological boundary that prevents overspending the next day and reinforces the habit of mindful spending. The more consistent you are with this evening routine, the more aware you'll become of your financial behavior, leading to better decision-making in the long term. Before you go to bed, check for any upcoming expenses that you may have forgotten about, like a subscription renewal or a bill. This will help you plan ahead and prevent surprises. So there you have it. Top 5 ways to build a strong financial routine daily is the key to mastering your money. By incorporating simple daily habits, you'll gain better control over your finances, make smarter spending decisions, and build long-term financial security. It's about taking small, intentional steps every day that will lead to big rewards down the line. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more valuable financial tips. Remember, consistency is the secret to success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.